Okay, before we can really get into working with decimals, we need to learn how to say them and how to write them correctly. So, you should have glued this note page into your notebook already so that you have this in front of you to help you whenever you need it. When we are saying a decimal number, so first we're going to look at the number all the way down at the bottom and how it's written in word form. So I would say this number 5 and 312 thousandths. So we're going to break it down so that you can see where each of those words come from. Anything that is in front of the decimal, you're just going to say as its normal number. So this is just 5. When you get to the decimal, it is always going to be the word and. Anything after the decimal, you are just going to say the number as if nothing is in front of it. So this is just 312. And then the last step is to say the last place value that the last number. So 2 is the last number in this decimal. So we would go up and see that it's in the thousandths place. So that's where this last word comes from, is whatever is the last number in the whole entire number. That's the word that we say at the end. So again, this is 5 and 312 thousandths. Okay, we're going to practice saying a couple over here. We're going to start with this one. This would be 42 hundredths. We just say the number, and then we say the place value of the last number. So the 2 is in the hundredths place. So we would say 42 hundredths. The next one is 3 and 109 thousandths. The next one, 2 and 8 hundredths. The next one, 75 hundredths. And the last one, 1 and 4 thousandths. So you're just breaking it up. Look at whatever is in front of the decimal you have to say first. If there is nothing in front of the decimal, you don't have to say anything. You don't have to say the word and. So for this one, we would just say 75 hundredths. You don't have to say and 75 hundredths. Only if there is a whole number in front, like this last example. So we just say the number 1. The decimal, we say and then the 4, we just say the number 4. And this 4 is in the thousandths place. So it's thousandths. 1 and 4 thousandths.